So question number 3, we have solve for x in the equation. So this question lies under the topic indices, and we are supposed to determine the value of x. So this is KCSE, question number 3, paper 1, 2025. So we will proceed with this question. So we have 4 to power 3x times 8 is equal to 1 over 32 to power 2x minus 3. So in such a question, so let's have our solution. So this can be written as 4 to power 3x multiplied by 8 is equal to 1 over 32. We can take the reciprocal of 1 over 32 and have 32 over 1. 32 over 1 raised to power. When we take the reciprocal of the base, we will take the power as negative. So it will be negative 2x minus 3. If you have been confused by what I've just done, this is what we say. If you have 1 over a to power n, it is the same as a over 1 to power negative n. A over 1 to power negative n. That is the law that we have used to simplify and get this. So once we have that, this can be written as 2. All these can be written to base 2. So we can have 2 to power 2 multiplied by 3x. My pen is fainting. So multiplied by 2 to power 3 is equal to 2 to power 5. Then we have negative 2x minus 3. So having that, we will have 2 to power 2 times 3 is 6x times 2 to power 3 is equals to, this is 2 to power 5. Then we can open this bracket, and once we open this bracket, we will get 3. Negative times negative will be 3 minus 2x. I've interchanged minus 2x plus 3. I've written it as 3 minus 2x. So here it is. And once we have that, we will continue that in this part. So let's clean up this part here. And we now have 2 to power 6x times 2 to power 3 is equal to 2 to power 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 times 2 is equal to minus 10x. So having that, we can hold the bases together. When the bases are the same, we add the powers. So we have 2 into power 6x plus 3 is equal to 2 to power 15 minus 10x. So having that, we can drop the base. Since our bases are equal or are common, we have base 2, and we are left with the powers. 6x plus 3 is equal to 15 minus 10x. So we put the right terms together. We bring this to this side and take that to the other side. And we have 6x plus 10x is equal to 15 minus 3. So 6x plus 10x will give us 16x is equal to 12. So we divide both sides by 16 by 16, and we will get our x as 12 over 16. Our x will be equal to 12 over 16. Our x is 12 over 16. 12 over 16, which can be simplified by 4, 3, by 4, 4. So our x is equal to 3 over 4. So by doing that, you get your 3 marks, and that is how you are supposed to approach question number 3. We will still proceed with the rest. Let's now get to question number 4. Thank you.